Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be replacing the front fog lights in a 2010 Honda Pilot. If you need these parts or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to take this fog light trim cover off. We're going to use a trim tool. We actually sell these at 1aauto.com in a kit. So what we'll do is there's two little areas right here and right here. Go underneath there with your fingers near the lens. You can pull it out. It comes right out. There's all these clips that are around. We're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to take these two screws out. Right here. Get those two screws out. You can grab the fog light on this side and pull it straight out. There's the connector on the back. And push down on the connector and pull it up. Here's our old fog light. Here's our new fog light from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the shape is the same. The lens is the same. This is how you adjust it with the screw right there. That's the same. On the back side, the mounting holes are all the same. Where the bulb goes in is exactly the same. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. The new fog light does not come with a bulb. We're gonna have to take it out of the old one. So we'll turn this to the left. Take that larger tab, gets lined up with the larger part on the hole. Push that in, turn it to the right. We're gonna connect the connector to the fog light. Just snap it in. And you wanna pay attention to these two tabs. Those are gonna go in here. And make sure your screw holes are lined up. Now we're gonna put the screws in right here. Before you tighten that one up completely, we'll put the other screw in. Make sure the holes line up. Now I can tighten them both down. Just snug it down. Remember, it's plastic, so don't tighten it too much. And install our bezel. We'll line these two tabs up top first. And then lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.